Welcome back. I got my iPad charged up. I got everything transferred. So this is officially now my new iPad. And I have been using the cover that I got on Amazon for $4. Amazing deal. And it seems like this one was on sale because they're out of stock now. It was on sale probably because of the color. It's like described as a purple gray. And I've seen other colors on there. They got a good selection of colors. And the regular price ranges from $19.99 to $29.99 on these covers. But like I said, this one was on sale for $4.44 on Amazon, and now they are out of stock. So again, I got a good deal on this. I wasn't even looking for it. It just happened to be there, and I took advantage of it. But I need a keyboard, and I did a lot of research. And the keyboard that I'm going to try out is Apple's Magic Keyboard. There is one available from Logitech, which is called the Combo keyboard. And the only thing I didn't like about that one was that even though the keyboard does detach from the case, what they were saying about it is that it doesn't work well if you have it on your lap. And I do a lot of that. I'm on my couch a lot and I'm using my iPad, so this is definitely going to work. The only thing that I am really iffy about is whether or not this is actually going to work for me when I'm doing the video editing. It is kind of flimsy when you tap on the screen, so, and I do a lot of that, but I don't know. It does come with a new touchpad, and the iPad OS 26 is coming out soon, I think within a month or so, and that is supposed to make some improvements, and it's going to make the iPad more like a MacBook. So it does make sense to have a trackpad at this time. The other thing I didn't like about the Logitech keyboard was that it has the mechanical touchpad, so it does do the clicking sound. Well, this one doesn't. This one does not do the clicking sound on the touchpad, so that was a selling point for me. Okay, I got this regular price. I did not find it on sale anywhere. When I make these purchases, I even check on OfferUp to see if anybody's selling one, you know, an unopened one that they just want to get rid of. But nobody had this one, so I had to pay full price. It cost a hefty $299, so $300 for it. Very super expensive, but remember, I got my iPad for $14.99, which was $400 less than the regular $18.99. So I technically, you know, saved $400 and I used it towards this. So it didn't hurt as much. And I probably wouldn't have been inclined to do so if I hadn't saved the money on the iPad. But here it is. This one, it's more premium. The trackpad is better, the keyboard is better, the stability is better. Did I mention quality? It's better. So the price matches the quality, what you're getting for it. And that's what I felt that I wanted to do. I do have one of these for a 12.9 Pro, and also white, but because it is an older one, the keyboard surface on this one is aluminum. The older models of this keyboard were the same material as the cover, which is kind of like this rubbery material. So that is pretty cool because that means that it isn't going to stain and as easily, and it won't leave smudges, fingerprints. So let's try it out. All I need to do is just pop it into place. It attaches magnetically. That's it. We're ready to go. Now I could use my trackpad. Okay, so let me show you how this works. It goes up there. The first hinge down here, that's as far as it goes. Then it has another hinge, a second one, that lets it tilt back. And wow, I like that. I like that angle. And I could see myself using this like a mini laptop on my lap. Sometimes I'm using the iPad on my lap. at home when I'm sitting on the couch, the recliner, or when I'm in the car, in the front seat, the back seat. So this seems like it's gonna work. The part that I was mentioning was I'm a little concerned whether or not it's going to work for doing my video editing. So it doesn't seem like it's, like I said, well, there is a little bit of bounce to it, but it's not as pronounced as I thought it would be. So it seems a little bit more stable than what one of the reviews. For first impressions, I like it. I know it does add weight to the iPad, and now it feels like a heavy metal tablet. It doesn't have any protection on the edges, so I can't afford to drop it. And as far as I can think back, I'm not one to drop my iPad, so I think I'll be fine as far as that goes. Pick it up and use it like this. It's not difficult, just pull it off. I'm gonna take the iPad with me, and I know that I'm gonna use a keyboard. I'll have this case with me because I know I'm gonna be using the keyboard. If I know that I'm not gonna need any typing, I can take it in this case. This one, it's easy to take off. As you saw, it just pulls off because it's a magnet. So those are my first impressions of the Magic Keyboard. I like it. I like how it feels. I will let you know if it's a keeper. I still need to determine if the 11 is going to be a keeper. But right here, there's my Insta360 Studio. I'm going to be doing some video editing tonight. I'll let you know how that goes. So this is a quick peek of the iPad on my lap in the passenger seat. And as you can see, the car is moving. Looks pretty stable. And I'll be able to actually do some typing. This is something pretty cool I wasn't expecting about the iPad case. It fits on the treadmill at the gym. I thought I was gonna have to take it out of the keyboard case, but it actually fits right here.